Hi, I'm Bob. I'm a guide on Get Set Up, and I would like to tell you about a course that we're offering on how to write or record your family history. Now, I think it's fascinating to learn about how our ancestors lived 50 years ago, 100 years ago. I'm lucky enough to have a copy of a diary that my grandfather kept. He was born in the 1800s, and I think that people 50, 100 years from now would be equally interested in what our lives were like because their lives are going to be totally different in that period of time, just like ours are so different from those 100 years before us. So nowadays we have a lot of options on how to record the stories. We can easily do video recordings now, audio recordings. You can share your stories on the internet, or you can do an old-fashioned printed book if that's what you like to do. So in this course, we'll be talking about all the options and the costs that are involved with each of them. And I hope you'll join us in our writing or recording family history class. Thanks.